Okay, so this is actually beer pouring experiment take 3. What we're going to do is we are going to measure the height of the actual beer, not the height of the foam. And we're going to see how much foam is actually converted to beer over time. So we're just going to make marks at the interface between the beer and the foam every 5 seconds until we get bored with that. And at that point I'm just going to turn off the camera and I'll wait until the foam almost completely subsides. I'm going to make a mark where the end point line is, and then we'll take measurements from each of the points we measured during the experiment to the end point and plot those points and see if it really does follow the exponential law, and see if we can also estimate the decay rate from that data. So ready to begin. I'm using a colder beer because I'm hoping that will give us a little bit faster decay and not quite as much bubbles. And I'm also not going to pour from quite as high, maybe just an inch or two. It looks like about an inch above the beaker if you want to repeat the experiments. So things are poured and we're going to start now.
5.
See, we're getting a much quicker decay rate than earlier.
5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5.
This is the point when the marks start getting really close together, and
5.
that's actually, you'll see, something that we expect from the exponential decay.
5.
Okay, so I'm going to stop making marks at this point, and I'm just going to wait a little while, because at this point the marks are sort of indistinguishable from one another anyways, and in a few more minutes what I'm going to do is I'll mark the end point and maybe take a video describing the next step.